everyone, and welcome back to the second episode of School Chronicles, where we learn school experiences through the eyes of students. Today, I have with me Hazel Taliban, an 11th grader, who is here to share her school memories of primary wing with us. Welcome, Hazel.
Thank you, Sundri. It's exciting to be here. I can't wait to revisit those memories again.
So, Hazel, let's jump right in. What comes to mind first when you think about your primary wing days?
Oh, those were such carefree times. The primary wing felt like a big friendly community. It was a place full of laughter, fun activities, and of course, discovering new things every day. I think that's when I really started to feel like I was part of something special.
I can imagine. Moving up from kindergarten, how did it feel to have more structured lessons?
It was actually pretty exciting. Suddenly, we had designated periods for each subject, like English and math. It felt like I was growing up and learning big kid things. I remember feeling proud every time I could answer a question or finish my work independently.
That must have felt great. Were there any particular school events or activities that made your time in the primary wing stand out?
Yes, I always looked forward for the annual function. All the creative projects we got to do. Preparing for these events with classmates was a highlight, especially since we could showcase our efforts in front of our parents and teachers. It was a lot of fun. I loved seeing everyone's reaction.
Those sound like unforgettable moments. Did you ever participate in any special activities that taught you more about yourself?
Definitely. I remember being part of a class presentation where we all have to contribute something unique. It taught me how to be responsible, work well with others, and how even the smallest role make a big difference. That experience boosted my confidence and showed me the importance of teamwork.
It sounds like Drishti really encouraged you to explore new things. How did being a part of Drishti shape your primary wing experience?
Trishti felt like a family, always supportive and encouraging. The environment here made it easy to learn and grow, with teachers who cared about us. I feel incredibly lucky to be part of the Trishti family. It's a place that has given me wonderful memories and values I will carry forward.
That's beautiful, Hazel. Looking back, what's the biggest takeaway from your primary wing years?
I would say it's the value of curiosity and collaboration. Those years taught me to be open to learn new things and work well with others. It was not just about the lessons, but the friendships and experience that came with it.
That's a meaningful takeaway. Now, as a senior, what advice would you give to students currently in the primary wing?
I would tell them to enjoy every bit of it. Participate in activities, try new things, and do not be afraid to ask questions. The primary wing is a time to explore and have fun. Take it all and make memories.
Such a valuable advice. Thank you, Hazel, for sharing your primary wing memories with us. It's been wonderful.
It has been joy to look back to those memories again.
Thank you for sharing your memories. It was really interesting. And this wraps up with the second episode of School Chronicles, and we'll see you next time. Till then, take care.